In this question, we are given three parameters f, s and c. The bar graph here denotes the frequency of each score 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 for each of these parameters. Means for each parameter, how many times score 1 is there? So 2 times. How many times score 2 is there? 1 time. How many times score 3 is there? 2 times. 4 1 time. 5 3 times. 6 never. 7 1 time. So this number or this frequency is given in this bar chart or bar graph. Now some conditions are given to us. The first condition is saying that AMDA and CALA jointly have the lowest total score. That means total score for AMDA is equals to total score for CALA equals to 7. Now with identical scores in all three parameters, that means FA is equals to FC, SA equals to SC and CA is equals to CC. Now we have FA equals to FC. Now we have to take two values from F such that they are equal. So we can take 1, 3 and 5. Okay. From SA means from the parameter S we have to take such values which we can take repeatedly or which are present in two numbers. Either we can take 3, 4 or 5. For CA or for the parameter C we can have 2 and 3. But some we have to make 7. 7 is possible with 4 plus 1 plus 2. It is the only possibility. So we will take 4 from the parameter S, 2 from parameter C and 1 from parameter A. So we will be having FA equals to FC is equals to 1. Then SA equals to SC is equals to 4. Then CA equals to CC equals to 2. Now the first question is asking us what is AMDA's score in F. So AMDA score in F is equals to 1. So the first answer is 1.